Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City, staying today at the Borgata Hotel and Casino. I got a comped room. It's room 737, so I'm gonna head upstairs. I'm already checked in. I checked in this morning on my phone. Can't wait to go upstairs and see what the room looks like. Come on with me. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And again, this is just a room tour here of the Borgata today. If you're interested in seeing the entire hotel, casino, the restaurants and shops and pool and stuff like that, those videos are available here on the New York channel, and newer ones will be coming out shortly here on the Borgata. But today, it's all about this room. Let's go take a look around. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. That tower in front of us is the Water Club, soon to be called the MGM Tower, undergoing some major renovations right now. Behind it is Harrah's Hotel and Casino, and to the right, Golden Nugget Hotel and Casino. If you hadn't noticed, I had to blur out the television. It had all my check-in information on there, so I had to blur it out during the editing process. Sorry about that, guys. And during this video, if you haven't noticed, I left little pop-up links to show you the Borgata pool, as well as the casino, the restaurants, and stuff like that. So you can always click on those links on my video if you want to see more of related videos to what you're watching.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.